In this video, you will know 5 important facts about electric vehicle batteries. Battery is the most important part of the electric vehicle for safety and performance. 3 main challenges of the battery electric vehicles to grow are cost, range anxiety, and safety. Surprisingly, all 3 issues are directly related to the EV batteries. That means the motor and drive technology is mature enough to provide competitive performance and reliability, whereas the battery technology is still growing continuously to achieve better performance and reliability. Following 5 facts about electric vehicle batteries must be known to you. 1. Temperature withstand capacity of the battery is different during charging than that during discharging. 2. Batteries cannot be charged below 0 degrees Celsius. 3. Battery also needs a heating system. 4. Fast charging is too costly. 5. Battery temperature must be controlled and maintained below 70 degrees Celsius. To understand it in more detail, follow the next video. Subscribe to our channel and never miss the similar informative videos on technology.